Hello, this is Annalise Kinney for Pennington Publishing. Today's mechanics lesson is on how to use hyphens. A hyphen is a short dash used to combine words. Hyphens join base words to form compound words. Hyphens are also used for numbers and spelled out fractions. Additionally, hyphens join compound adjectives. Let's read the mechanics lesson and study the examples. Use hyphens for compound adverbs that don't end in ly when used before nouns. A compound adverb has two connected adverbs. Here's an example. The much requested song. When the compound adverb is after the noun, don't hyphenate. Here's an example. Her wishes were always well known. Now write down the practice sentence and apply the mechanics rules to circle or highlight what is right. Then cross out and revise what is wrong. Please correct and edit your practice sentence from these practice sentence answers. Now apply what you've learned and write your own sentence using a hyphen.